What if I told you a scooter just dropped that looks like a mini adventure bike, rides like a street machine, and might actually replace your daily motorcycle? Yeah, I'm talking about the 2026 Honda ADV 160, and trust me, this one is turning heads for real. Alright, let's get straight into it. The 2026 Honda ADV 160 is not just another scooter. This thing is built for people who want style, comfort, and a little bit of off-road attitude all in one ride. But here's the real thing. Is it just hype, or is this actually the best urban adventure scooter right now? Let's break it down. First up, design. This scooter does not look like your typical grocery getter. The ADV 160 comes in with a sharp, aggressive front, tall windscreen, and that rugged ADV-style body. It literally looks like a baby adventure bike. High ground clearance, check. Chunky tires, check. That tough street meets dirt vibe, big check. And this is where it gets interesting. People are buying this not just for commuting, but for style. You pull up on this and it doesn't scream scooter, it screams, I'm different. Now let's talk performance, because looks alone don't win the game. The 2026 Honda ADV 160 comes with a 160cc engine. It's smooth, reliable, and built for everyday riding. We're talking quick acceleration for city traffic, comfortable cruising speed, solid fuel efficiency. And yes, it's not a racing machine, but that's not the point. This is built for real-world riding, daily commute, weekend cruise, even light adventure roads. Now here's where Honda really plays smart. You get smart key system, digital display, USB charging port, anti-lock braking system, and the suspension. That's one of the biggest highlights. It's tuned to handle rough roads better than most scooters in this category. So yeah, potholes, speed bumps, bad roads, this thing handles them way better than you'd expect. By the way, if you're into bikes and real street-level reviews like this, hit that like button and subscribe, because we keep it real here, no boring stuff. Now let's be honest for a second. Who is this scooter really for? This is perfect for daily commuters, college riders, city explorers, people who want comfort with style. But here's the real thing. If you're looking for high-speed highway domination, this might not be your first pick. But if you want something practical, stylish, and fun, it hits hard. Now let's talk rumors, because yeah, there's some buzz around this model. Some reports suggest that Honda might introduce slight performance upgrades, new color options, even better tech integration. But none of that is fully confirmed yet, so take that as speculation for now. Still, if Honda actually adds those upgrades, this scooter could dominate the segment. And this is where it gets really interesting. The ADV 160 is creating a new category. It's not just a scooter, it's not a full adventure bike, it's something in between, and people love that. It's easy to ride, easy to maintain, and still gives you that bike feel. That's a rare combo. Now, compared to other scooters out there, most look basic, most feel basic, but the ADV 160, it stands out instantly. That's why it's getting so much attention, even outside Asia markets. So, final verdict, the 2026 Honda ADV 160 is not trying to be the fastest, it's not trying to be the biggest, it's trying to be the smartest choice, and honestly, it might just be. So now I gotta ask you, would you actually ride this as your daily machine, or would you still pick a full-size motorcycle? Drop your answer in the comments, I'm reading everything. And yeah, more fire bike content coming your way. Stay tuned.